thrifting lovelies. It is Thursday, so it's time for a quick thrift tip. Today's tip is all about brainstorming and having a vision of what you're looking for before you go thrifting. Times when we go to different types of thrift stores or antique or resale shops, there's a lot of things when we walk in and we get so overwhelmed and excited that we just want to look at everything. But what ends up happening is 30 minutes pass by and we're still looking at the same clothing rack near the front of the store, and we haven't even made it to all the other sections that we want to get to. That's why it's so important to have a vision and know what you're looking for before you get to the store, so that we don't waste time going through every single thing in the store, and we can redirect that time in the certain sections for the specific items that we're looking for. When I started my love of thrifting years ago, I had so much energy that I thought I could go through every single thing in the store. And that just wasn't the case. After about an hour of being there, I'd get so tired that I want to go home, and I'd end up finding less things than I thought I would. So I learned that I had to have a plan of what I was going to look for when going to the thrift store. Since then, I've had way more success finding amazing and unique items while thrifting. All in all, make sure you plan ahead. Have a vision of what you're looking for. Thank you for listening to this Thursday's quick thrift tip. Have a great day, lovelies. Bye.